Welcome back. Now, for years, football in the parish of Hanover has been struggling and has been ranked the lowest in the country among all parishes. In part 1 of 2, we talk with the stakeholders about the problems that are holding back football in this western parish.
It's been more than 2 decades since Hanover last produced a Premier League team. And there's not much to write home about football in the parish.
Hanover, they're way down one place down there. Way down Hanover last in a football.
I think it's between dead and dying. I think it's right there between dead and dying.
Demar Mackenzie of Green Island FC says the sport is at a low that it is difficult to attract sponsors.
Right now, if you write a letter to a sponsor, you won't even probably get an interview or get somebody to talk to, because the persons have lost the interest, and the loss of interest is as a result of poor governance.
Dennis Jump, a triple winner with Rossies in the early 90s, has seen better days.
There isn't enough being done from the standpoint of the FA to reach out to all the communities that would necessarily participate to or contribute to make this a better parish as it relates to football.
Craig Oates is a vice president of the Hanover FA.
I cost the parish football from outside. I went inside and you know, you try to effect change and there is nothing. And probably because I have, you know, information as it relates to the inner running of the football, where probably if made public, you know, it now gonna be nice.
Oates says everything boils down to leadership.
The leadership of the parish football, of which I am a member, that is where the issue is. As leader, we need not to have 1 or 2 individuals dictate what is happening. The group need to collectively get their power and know that it is the votes that count and not the opinion of 1 or 2 persons.
We're there from concrete days. So not to them there. And the man do a good job. The man help the clubs them, do every little thing for the clubs them. Me never one day go and match and know so much I play, I go home on my yard because I know I owe my match fee. Instead of come in and play the match, come back tomorrow or come back next week, come pay the match fee. We should have association do that.
Mackenzie also questions the running of the league.
When all the other FAs reach semi-final and final, Hanover don't even kick a ball yet. I think in the last competition that Green Island FC played in, it was only eight teams. And I think that's very poor.
But manager of Hopewell Chargers, Dave Cunningham, is defending FA boss Sheridan Samuels.
One time was at Taylor Park, when you go there, you can't walk properly. Now you have good field down there. Because Sheridan them spend on the field down there. So they do a good job. They might try them best with the little resources that they have.
For the record, TVJ Sports caught up with Samuels, who promised us an interview but declined a day later. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.